We are going to study about the topic democracy. Let us see what is democracy. Word democracy has been derived from the word democratia. Demos means people and cratia means rule. Democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. These representatives rule on the behalf of people. In democracy, if people are not satisfied with the working of the representatives, they can change them. India is the world's largest democracy. Let's have a look at the features of democracy. Democracy is a government in which the real power of making decisions rests with the people. In a democracy, we can choose and at the same time we can change the government. It is based on free and fair elections. In dictatorship, we can't choose, but in democracy, we have a provision of doing so. All adult citizens have a right to vote, and each vote has one value. Here, opposition is also allowed to exist so that the government remain on its toes. You can see the population of India citing the example of successful democracy in the world. Democracy is considered an ideal government. Let us know the reasons for the same. It is more accountable as it is answerable for all its decisions. It also improves the quality of decision making. In democracy, lots of debate and discussions takes place before arriving at a decision. While taking a decision, the welfare of the people is the main concern. Democracy provides a method to deal with conflicts and differences. Let's take an example of India. Our country is known for its diversity. People speak different languages, they live in different regions and belong to different castes. So, chances of clash are more. Here comes the role of democracy. It provides a peaceful solution and resolve conflicts. It also enhances the dignity of citizens as it is based on political equality. There is a negative side of democracy also. Leaders keeps on changing. This leads to instability. It is more about political competition. All want to gain political power. As too much focus is on electoral competition, this leads to corruption. People want to win. They want to win the elections at all cost. Democracy is the rule of majority, and ordinary people are not aware what is good for them. So, we can say that democracy has both positive as well as negative aspects. Thus, we can conclude that democracy has both pros and cons.